Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into the world of electrical system tools with a countdown of the top-selling products on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this list is packed with tools that promise reliability and performance. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown of the top-selling electrical system tools on Amazon is the Terminal Removal Toolkit, a comprehensive 172-piece set designed to tackle all your pin extraction needs with precision and ease. This robust kit includes a staggering array of tools: 59 single-pin extractors, 80 double-pin extractors, 3 3-pin extractors, and 30 casing tools, all neatly organized in a protective bag. Yes, you heard that right. 172 pieces. Note that some of these tools may be duplicates, but that's just a testament to the kit's versatility. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic, this tool set boasts impressive hardness and flexibility. Its resilience ensures long-term use without deformation. The O-ring handle enhances safety, providing a secure grip as you work on those delicate terminal pins. Using this kit is a breeze. Simply push and pull the terminal pins with the appropriate extractor, and watch as the connectors come away effortlessly from your wire harnesses. No damage, no fuss. Do remember, most wire harnesses are secured with barb clips, so a bit of gentle lifting or flattening of the barbs may be necessary before pulling out the wire ends. It's all about balancing strength and direction. For your convenience, the Terminal Tool Removal Kit comes with a waterproof protective bag. This not only ensures the tools stay sharp, but also keeps them portable and safe from curious little hands. Versatile and reliable, this tool set is perfect for a wide range of applications, from cars and motorcycles to household electronics. It's the ultimate addition to any technician's arsenal, designed to make pin extraction smoother and more efficient than ever before. Ready to tackle your next electrical project? This Terminal Removal Toolkit is a must-have. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling electrical system tools on Amazon is the 500-piece connector pins kit, your ultimate solution for automotive and electrical connections. This comprehensive kit offers an unparalleled range of options, ensuring you have exactly what you need for any project. Inside this box, you'll discover an impressive assortment: 26 types of terminal pins totaling 260 pieces, 8 types of connector wire seals with 240 pieces, and a convenient removal toolkit. Whether you're working on a car, motorcycle, or any other electrical device, this set is designed to meet a myriad of needs with precision. The terminal pins come in various sizes: 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 1.8 mm, 2.2 mm, 2.8 mm, and 3.5 mm. Providing flexibility for different applications. Each pin is crafted from 100% high-quality tin-plated copper, ensuring maximum conductivity and durability. The tin surface not only enhances conductivity, but also offers excellent corrosion protection. Crimping or soldering, this kit has you covered. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We are committed to providing the best service possible. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, our responsive support team is ready to assist you promptly. Experience effortless connections and unparalleled reliability with the 500-piece connector pins kit. Elevate your work and tackle your electrical projects with confidence. At number 3 in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling electrical system tools on Amazon, we present the Light Automotive 590V Digital LED Circuit Tester, a powerhouse tool designed to elevate your testing capabilities. Featuring a highly clear LED digital backlit display, this tester delivers voltage readings with exceptional precision: the 0, 1V resolution and +0, 2V accuracy ensure that every readout is crystal clear, unaffected by ambient light. Whether you're working in bright daylight or a dimly lit garage, you'll get precise and easily visible measurements. Flexibility is key with the tester, thanks to its extended spring wire that stretches up to 110 inches. This length offers a generous measuring range, and the anti-bending design of the tail wire ensures a reliable connection without the hassle of bad contact. The large alligator clip makes one-hand operation a breeze, providing both convenience and stability. The tool's bidirectional indicating light adds an extra layer of functionality, With red and green LEDs to denote positive and negative polarity respectively, you can effortlessly determine the direction of current flow. Attach the alligator clamp to either ground and use the probe to test the other side. It's as simple as that. Safety and durability are at the forefront with this tester. Equipped with a built-in circuit board chip and an insulation protective cover, it's designed to offer superior grip and protection against electric shock. The circuit board's line protection function enhances safety, making it more burn-resistant and reliable than traditional test lights. The Winamoo test light is not just versatile, but indispensable. From checking automotive headlights, taillights, and turn signal circuits to diagnosing faulty sockets, connections, and broken wires, this tool handles it all. Ideal for various vehicles and everyday use, it's your go-to solution for accurate and efficient electrical testing. Get ready to experience precision and reliability like never before with the Winamoo Light Automotive Circuit Tester. Are you enjoying our countdown of the top-selling electrical system tools on Amazon? If so, don't let this chance short-circuit your fun. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you're always wired in for the latest updates. Coming in at number 2 on our countdown of the top-selling electrical system tools on Amazon is the heavy-duty 365V Backlit Digital LCD Circuit Tester, the ultimate companion for all your electrical diagnostic needs. This powerhouse tool is engineered to handle a broad testing range, from 3 to 65 volts of low DC circuits. Whether you're inspecting automotive headlights, taillights, faulty sockets, or fuses, this tester has got you covered. Its bidirectional voltage testing feature, complete with polarity indication, allows you to attach the alligator clamp to either ground or positive, providing unparalleled versatility. Essential for both professional and household use, this tool promises reliable service year after year. The heavy-duty circuit tester stands out with its high-precision LCD digital display, illuminated by a striking blue backlight, with a resolution down to 0, 1V and an accuracy of nabarasa. 2V, you'll get clear, visible readouts regardless of lighting conditions, day or night. The modern LCD design draws significantly less current than traditional incandescent lamps, reducing the risk of damaging sensitive circuits. Built to last, this tester boasts a premium acetate fiber body, enhancing toughness and durability. The sharp stainless steel probe effortlessly pierces wires, even in those hard-to-reach areas. Additionally, the insulation protective rubber tip ensures safety against electric shocks. Flexibility and durability are key features of the 140-inch extended PU spring wire, offering more flexibility and resilience compared to standard cables. This heat-insulated, oil-resistant wire is paired with a large alligator clip for easy one-handed operation, making the tester as convenient as it is effective. For those in search of a reliable, durable circuit testing tool, look no further. The heavy-duty 365V circuit tester is a top choice, designed to meet your testing needs with precision and ease. Click Add to Cart with confidence and experience the quality for yourself. Taking the top spot on our countdown of the best-selling electrical system tools on Amazon is the Terminal Removal Toolkit. 82 pieces of precision and power. This is the ultimate solution for all your pin extraction and connector needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to tackle a variety of terminals. With 28 single pin extractors, 30 double pin extractors, and 24 casing tools, this set is designed to fit most terminal types. Whether you're working on automotive connectors, motorcycle electronics, or household appliances, you'll find the right tool for the job. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic, each tool in this kit is built to withstand repeated use without deforming. The variety of pin headers ensures you can handle a broad range of electronic equipment maintenance tasks with ease and precision. Safety and convenience are paramount with this kit. It comes with a protective case to keep your tools secure and easily portable. This case also prevents accidental contact with the sharp tools, making it safer for both storage and use. Using this terminal removal toolkit is a breeze. Simply push and pull the terminal pins using the connector removal tools to extract them from wire harness connectors without causing any damage. Remember, most wire harnesses are secured with barb clips. Use the tools to lift or flatten these barbs before gently pulling out the wire ends. Pay attention to the strength and direction for a smooth operation. For anyone who needs a versatile, high-quality toolkit for electrical connectors, the Terminal Removal Toolkit is your top choice. Experience the ease of maintenance and the reliability of precision tools. This kit has got you covered. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling electrical system tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.